we'll guide you through how to share movies on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, locate the movie file you want to share. If the movie isn't uploaded yet, you need to upload it by clicking on the Upload button, usually found at the top right corner. Select your movie file from your computer and let it upload. After the movie is uploaded, find it in your file list. Hover over the file and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on Share. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the movie with. You can also add a personalized message if you like. If you want to share the movie with multiple people, simply add more email addresses separated by commas. Before you send the invitation, make sure to choose the appropriate permissions. You can decide whether the recipient can edit the file or just view it. Once you're ready, click Send. Alternatively, if you prefer to share a link instead of sending an email, you can click on Create a link in the Share window. Copy the generated link and share it through email, chat, or any other platform you prefer. The recipient will be able to view or download the movie depending on the permissions you set. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a movie on Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.